This is the smoke coming in from the Cameron Peak fire, as seen from our Viero camera in Alt, just to the east of Fort Collins. But by late in the day, the low clouds coming in, the rain and the snow on the way. And even by early tomorrow morning, just in the low to mid 30s with a mix of rain and snow early and then just heavy wet snow through much of the day. Today, high temperature at 93. 49, which is the current out at DI, has been the low so far. We're only 2 shy of the record high, about 1/10 of an inch of rain already out at the airport. So it's 55 downtown, 49 out at the airport. Pressure rising. Winds are out of the north at 21, gusting to 35 miles per hour. Earlier today, that was not precipitation. That was all of the smoke from the Cameron Peak fire. Now, what we're seeing is a little bit of precipitation developing, and off to the east of Denver, a line of thunderstorms from around Sterling through Fort Morgan down to around DIA and then closer to the southeastern part of the Denver metro area. That's going to continue to expand throughout the nighttime hours, gradually mix with and change over to snow. It's all snow up in central Wyoming right now, and they're expecting well over a foot of snow. And look at the current temperatures. 32 at Casper, while it's still 84 degrees at Lamar and 80 at Grand Junction. So here's the map for tonight. As that cold front spills southward, the much colder air comes in, the rain on the plains, the heavy wet snow in the mountains. By morning, it's rain, windy, and colder over the eastern plains. Low temperatures in the 40s southeast, low 30s Denver, Fort Collins, Greeley, upper 20s around Cheyenne by morning. Front range numbers, and this is great news, up around the Cameron Peak fire. Temperatures are going to be in the low 20s by morning with heavy, wet snow expected. They could see more than a foot of snow fall on that fire, which would be a huge deal maker for that. Rain and snow mixed on the plains. By midday, it's heavy, wet snow all along the I-25 corridor. A lot of it melt on the roads, certainly. Trees, branches, power lines, that's going to be a problem. So if you can gently shake your trees and make sure you're not putting yourself in harm's way to have branches fall on you or wires, try and do that tomorrow. Lots of moisture coming in, though, and that's great news for us. Temperatures go nowhere, just in the 30s here, 50s to near 60 out west. But look at the moisture coming in on this thing. We're talking up to an inch of liquid, and in the mountains and foothills, 8 to 16 inches of snow, about 3 to 6 expected for the metro. So tonight, windy, colder, rain to snow, 32 for a low. Tomorrow, it's going to be a wet snow and a cold day with a high of 35 degrees. Looking ahead, Wednesday is still an action day because it starts at 28, only 42 with flurries. 55, maybe a brief rain shower Thursday, then back to the 70s Friday and Saturday, and beautiful for Sunday and Monday with high temperatures expected in the mid-80s.